Blue. I am recording immediately. Sorry. Yeah. We have a 280-mile-an-hour tornado. Literally, people are insane. This is literally insane. Literally, you can't see it. It's 1:20 a.m. and trees were ripped apart about 2 miles away from it. Do you see that debris field? Oh my, did you see that? Yeah, that's the tornado. Yeah, there's nothing left. Nothing. Not even signs. Those riders. Oh. Yeah, it's just a game.
The National Weather Service in Hazleton has issued a tornado warning for Modena County in north-central Keysota, Beltrami County in north-central Keysota. A confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado is located near Tunkley.
Yep, confirmed.
Moving east at 70 miles per hour.
Fine.
This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover
Nothing
now.
is as strong as this.
Back the following areas. Tunkley. You are in a life-threatening situation.
Oh my.
Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles. Destruction is possible. Heavy rainfall may obscure this tornado. Do not wait to see
No,
or
is
hear the
it
tornado.
331?
Take cover now. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.
What? The probes are still inside of this? Is this thing seriously an EF5? We're gonna turn them. Let's check something. Where are the signs? There's the tornado. Set. Oh my. Yeah, they don't have power. Oh my. Well, things are okay. Kind of okay. Yeah, I'm heading in. Oh my. Yeah, it's a 331. It's gotta be a 331. It's gotta be a 331. Oh my, trees are literally debarked. I guess I'll see some heavy. Where is it? I am going in. Oh my, it's multi-vortex. Here's where it hit. I'm going. I can take 95 miles an hour. Oh. Don't get too much closer.
Heavy rainfall.
I don't even
County.